Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in the last video we have covered all the methods and functions related to the dictionary in Python. So we have covered the theoretical part. So in this one we will cover the demo for each and every functions and methods for dictionary. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first one is to add a new key value pair or update the existing one in Python. So we can do it by this. So let's say we have a dictionary mydic, and in this one we want to add a new key. Okay, let's say the key is city. Okay, and city we can add as, let's say, New York. And now if we print this, okay, so you will see that city is now added. Okay, and if we use, let's say, the existing one age, and we put the value of 35, then we will see the age got updated to 35. Earlier it was 30 and now it is 35. So this is how to add or update the value. Okay, let me comment this out. Next is update. Okay, if we want to add or update multiple values, we can use update method basically. So let's say in the existing dictionary we want to add some new values. So let's say city, New York, and we want to update the age again here to 40. Okay, this should be in double quotes, and here we need to use the update function method. Now if we print this, okay, so you see earlier we have name John and age 30, and now we have name, age is updated to 40, and the city got added in the existing dictionary. Okay, so this is update function. Okay, next is key, get. So get is basically to access the item in the dictionary. Okay, and if the dictionary does not have that key, so we will get the default value, and by default it will return none. Let's say in the existing dictionary we want to get name. Okay, let's print it out. So we will get the name as John. Let's say if the key is not present, by default we will get the none. Okay, if we want to update the value, let's say we don't need none, we need something called, let's say, unknown. Okay, we'll get the values unknown. Okay, so this is about get, how we can access the item. Let me comment this out. Then we have pop. Pop is basically to remove the key and return the value. Okay, so let's say we'll print, it is returning, so we can use print mydic dot pop and this. Sorry, we need to provide the key, which key we want to pop out. So let's say name. So we got the name as John. Okay, and if we print the dictionary again, after popping out, what we will get, we will get only the age, because John we have popped out from the dictionary. Okay, and if the name is not there, what we will get, if the key is not there, I think we can put the default unknown. Okay, so default value we need to put, and if the key is not present, we will get this value which I put as unknown, and the dictionary will be same after the pop out the items. Okay, next is pop item. So pop item basically will give the last key value pair basically. Okay, so in the pop item we don't have to provide any key. Okay, and let's print it out again. So here we have name and age, and we are getting the last element from the dictionary, which is age. Okay, and after that we are left with only name key. Okay, age is popped out. So this is about pop item, but it will work only for Python version 3.7 and above. Okay. Okay, next is delete. So to delete a dictionary key or the whole dictionary, we can use this. So let's say this is our dictionary, and we want to delete some key. Let's say we want to delete name, and let's print out again. So after deleting, we are left with only age. Okay, we don't have name now because we have removed it. Okay, and we can also use it to delete the whole dictionary itself. Let's print it out, and now it is giving us error because we have deleted the whole dictionary, and now we don't have any dictionary defined. That's why we are getting this error. Okay. Okay, next is clear. So clear is basically to remove all the item from the dictionary. Okay, and let's print it out. So now the dictionary is empty. So you see, the clear, using clear we will have the dictionary. Okay, but it will be empty. But if we use delete, the dictionary won't be there, and we will get the error, the dictionary is not present. But clear will only empty the dictionary, but dictionary itself will be there. Okay, so this is about clear. Okay, we will come to this in part and copy. Before that, we will go to how we can iterate through the dictionary. So one is keys. So the keys will basically give us all the keys related to the dictionary. So if we use this dot keys and print it out, so we will get all the keys, name and age. Same with values. If we use values here, so basically these can help us to in iterating the dictionary. If we use values, you see we have dict values as this one, John and 30, and we have dict key as name and age. Then we have items. Okay, so items will give us a pair of key value as a tuple. So let's do this, and we'll say dot items. Okay, and you see we will get dict items as like this. So basically this we can use in, let's say we have if we use key comma val, and we can try to print here, print key and print val. So basically we will iterate through this, and we have a pair of key value written by the items, and then we can use those key and val in our iteration. So we have key as name and value as John, then age and 30. Okay, so these are very helpful while iterating the dictionary. Okay, then we have in operator. Okay, so in operator is basically to check if a dictionary, if a key is present in the dictionary or not. Okay, so let's say we say print name is in dictionary. Okay, so if it is present, we will get it, we will get true, otherwise we will get false. Let's say we will put name 1 in dictionary, we'll get the value as false because name 1 is not present. So this in operator is very helpful if you want to see if a particular key is present or not in the dictionary. Okay, then we have copy command. So let's say we can create a new dictionary equal to the dictionary dot copy, which will create the copy of the dictionary basically. this function we have in other also, like in tuple, set, list. So if we print this out, copy. So here you see we have a new dictionary created with the exact replica of the old one. Okay, then we have this function called set default. So set default is basically return the value of the key if it is exist, otherwise it's add, like the first one we had, right? This one, same way set default also work. So let's say we have a dictionary and we want to do set default. Okay, and we will add age as 50. Let's print it out, and we'll give a print statement here. Set default. If you see earlier we had name 30 and age okay, we need to not print, we need to print here something, not this. So if you see here set default, name and age, so age is already present, that's why we are getting age as 30. Okay, if we give age 1 as 50, we will get the value of this age 1 as 50. Okay, so basically it returns the value if it takes, otherwise add the key with the default value. So let me just print it out, this. Okay, my dictionary now. If you see now we have a key age 1 here, which is 50. Okay, so this is how we can iterate, and we can set, and we can get the value in the dictionary. Then we have built-in function length, max, minimum. So length will return the number of key value pairs. Let's say we have this. Let's print this. Basically it's a function, so we can use like length and dict. If you see we have two key value pair here, mean, max. We have mean, we have max. Okay, so mean and max will return the maximum and minimum of keys in the dictionary. So right now we only have the string, so as per that we will get age and name. The maximum is age, the minimum is name. Okay, something like that. And then we have sorted, which will sort the dictionary based on the keys. So if we use this sorted, you'll see now we have the age first and name later, basically. Okay, so basically it will give us the list of keys after sorting. Okay, so these are all the predefined methods and functions for dictionary which we can use in our day-to-day coding in Python. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.